Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My room is a hot mess. I have 4 kids and 3 German Shepherds. One of them sleeps in my room. They all use my restroom, well, the 3 little ones. So I have their stuff everywhere, laundry everywhere, their shoes are everywhere. And I'm just gonna do this quick motivation video on how I clean my room. Hope you guys enjoy.
I could stay like this, forever following you. Just don't get too far, and I'll be right where you are. You're a dream that I could finally see. I just want us to always be, to always be.
For my cleaning solution, I use Meyers and I fill it up almost to the top, and then I add rubbing alcohol because it makes it dry faster and it disinfects. And I do this because my husband is sick with leukemia, so I try to disinfect my room. He's a truck driver, so he's only home 2 days out of the week. So when he does come home, I make sure my room is spotless. I don't want him to get cut when he gets out of the shower. I clean after him when he's home all day, and I use alcohol because I need the house to be super spotless and disinfected for him because his health is the most important thing to me. Just in case you guys are wondering why my TV is so close up to my bed, my room actually echoes because it's kind of big. So I put the TV close to my bed so I could hear it better, and it's not too loud that it's gonna wake up the kids.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
I just want to point out how much I love this dustpan and broom. It's dog friendly, and it has these bristles on the dustpan. So when you pick up anything, you put the brush through it and it takes out anything that's on the broom. And I love it because it takes out all the hair that's stuck on the broom.
smile in front of people, it's a fake. Cause deep inside I'm crying for my baby. It's gonna be a while before I'm okay. Cause now that you're gone, I know that time don't wait for no one. You gotta say what you want. If you were here with me now, I'd say that you're the one. Cause you're the closest thing to an angel that I ever met. So don't you worry, I'll never forget.